On today's how-to, we're going to be talking about your digital display cluster here. The first tab is going to be your audio. Under audio, you'll have sources where you can look at AM, FM, Sirius, and Bluetooth audio. When you Bluetooth your phone to the car, it will download any compatible apps such as iHeartRadio, Pandora, things of that nature. Down here, you can save anything from AM to FM to Sirius XM along here. So as you can see, we have an FM, an AM, and a Sirius XM saved. The next tab is going to be your phone. You can connect your phone. You can add as many phones as you want across the board here. So if you had one phone here and one phone there, you can select yours or the other person's. The next one's the navigation. Now on this display cluster, you are going to have swipeable technology. So instead of tapping nav, I'm going to swipe nav over, open it to large screen. Now this is your navigation. If you want to go deep into the navigation, check out my built-in navigation versus connected navigation video. Here, under favorites, you're going to have whatever you want up here. So, if you used email all the time, you can make that as your favorite up here or whatever you want to do. So, for instance, we're going to go to driver assistance, set that as my favorite. Now that right here, driver assistance will pop up anytime I click it. Now, if you click edit, you can change it and put a different one. Now the next tab is going to be apps. There's a whole list of apps that are compatible with the Sync 4 technology. So if you have Apple or Android, they will automatically download onto here. You could go to Ford.com and look at the whole list of apps that are compatible with the Sync technologies, whether you have Sync 3 or Sync 4. Settings. This is where you're going to find all of your features on the car. For instance, you're going to have radio, your phone, your navigation, sound, vehicle, clock, personal profiles, depending on what kind of vehicle you have. If you have any vehicle with Sync 4, you can create your own personal profile, link that to your Ford Pass app, and that way all of these settings will be more customized to you. So if you have a secondary driver on your vehicle, they can go to their profile and have more custom settings for them. You swipe over here, you have your Ford Assistant. Ford Assistant is neat because you can have wake words on here. You can select a preferred wake word. So anytime you say any of these words, the speaker system will hear you and it'll pop up on your screen, and it'll be kind of like your Siri or Amazon, Alexa, and things like that. Turn that off for this video. 911 Assist. If you are in an accident, the car will shut off and automatically call 911 from the phone that's attached inside of it. This is a great thing, if you were knocked unconscious or anything like that in a serious accident, it will be very useful to get the paramedics or the police to you as fast as possible. Valet mode. If you decide to valet your car, you want someone to drive your car, but you don't want them to have access to your features, you tap on that, you put a 4-digit code in, and it shuts down all of your settings throughout the whole vehicle. And then you could, when you get back in, you just type in your 4-digit code and it shuts off the valet mode. Vehicle hotspot, you do have 3 months for free from AT&T. Anything after that, it's whatever they charge. But we do give you 3 months for free of wireless hotspot connectivity in the car, which is great, if you have little ones and they have iPads, or if you're working on the road and you want to connect your phone to the car so that way you're not using all your data. Over here under features, you have your driver assistance. If you're wondering what that is, check out my features and settings video. It'll go over all the driver assistance. Here you do have your Pro Power on board. This is your built-in generator. This vehicle specifically has it. Not every vehicle will have it, but the one we're in right now does. And this is a neat little feature you can have to watch how much watts are being used. Zone lighting. Zone lighting, you could turn on the lights all around the car. So if you wanted to turn on just the driver's side mirror light, you could, or you could turn on your bed lights and all around, or you can turn on all zones. So that is, a pretty cool little feature there. Your towing, your trail turn assist. Trail turn assist, this is a off-road vehicle, so typically only these kind of vehicles that we're in right now will have something like this. And your digital owner's manual. The digital owner's manual is fantastic because, well, one, it's digital and you have to flip through a book. But two, you can do just a search where you type in what you're looking for right here. Or you can click on videos and say we wanted to look at doors and windows, and we clicked on the universal garage door opener getting started. You just click on that and it'll show you exactly how to link it, and it'll play a video. So for instance, we're here. Let's turn up the volume a little bit on the car. And now it looks like a little YouTube video. Press play. And it goes right into a universal garage door opener video. So that's kind of a neat little feature that Ford adds into their digital owner's manual. Now over here on this specific vehicle, we do have that swipe technology. So if you wanted the radio, you can. If you want your navigation, if you want to go to your bed camera, zone lighting, all of these you could swipe over and make big screen. You could also click on this tab right here, and it'll show you these pillars where you can just kind of scroll through them like this as well.